Bryony, I give you this ring.
Max, I give you this ring.
As a sign of our marriage.
As a sign of our marriage.
With my body, I honour you.
With my body, I honour you.
All that I am, I give to you.
All that I am, I give to you.
And all that I have, I share with you.
All that I have, I share with you.
Within the love of God.
Within the love of God.
The moment has come. Why don't you kiss your wife? And why don't we congratulate her?
Max, you're a man of faith and a faithful man. And we gladly entrust Bryony to you. Bryony, Jane, and Harrods, Broadbent. I've known you nearly all my life. The one thing you need to remember about Bryony is she says everything as it is. She asks anything, she says anything, and therefore is completely hilarious. And as you grow in love for each other and for the Lord Jesus, loved you and gave himself for you. So we join in wishing these to God's richest blessing. Max and Bryony, we wish you well. Let's give them a round.
And to my wife, Bryony, you look incredible today. As soon as I saw you come down the aisle, my heart beat. Thank you so much for constantly making me laugh. We have so much fun together. From our date in London when we first met to today, it's been an amazing time of growing and doing life together. I can't believe you said yes to going out with me, and now yes to marrying me. I love you with all my heart. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. So ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to please ask you to be upstanding and raise your glasses. This is Bryony, Jane and Harrods Broadbent.